morning, my dear brothers and sisters. You may have heard the song Defying Gravity from the movie The Wicked. And if you have time today, try to at least listen to this about 6-minute song, a dialogue-ish kind of song that is available. A line from the song says, "Something has changed within me. Something is not the same." There's no problem to brag that something new has happened to us. There's nothing wrong to see that we've changed. Today we've heard a beautiful story how St. Paul bore witness to his own conversion story. Siya na mismo ang nagkukwento ng kanyang kwento ng pagbabago. How was he before? How God called him? And what's the mission ahead of him after his conversion? He told this story of his conversion in front of the Jerusalem Jews after his arrest. Pero patuloy ang kanyang pagkukwento. He was not anymore the Saul who likes to kill the Christians, but now a changed Paul. The Paul who was so stubborn and arrogant, now he is the Paul who serves Jesus diligently in this life. We take pride and we are happy to hear people sharing how they also experienced conversion. Madami tayong narinig na kwento. Sino sila noon at sino na sila ngayon? Ano ang kanilang pinagdaanang hirap at bigat sa buhay? Ngayon, medyo umaangat at nakakaluwag-luwag na sa buhay na ito. Madami sa atin ang nakakita na may nagbago din naman sa atin mula nung mahabang panahon, mula last year, and to where we are now. We've seen for ourselves how we too has changed. Masayang makakita na kinukwento ng marami paano sila nagbago. Pero maganda din makita na may kwento din tayo ng pagbabago. Dati tamad na, ngayon nagsisipag. Dati panay bad words ang sinasabi, pero ngayon maayos ng kausap. Dati pala away, ngayon mabait na. Just to name a few stories of conversion that we know, or stories of ourselves whom we were before. Like St. Paul, do not be afraid to tell your stories of conversion. They are stories of hope. In Paul, we saw that hope is possible with God helping him become new. Hope is possible in this life. Hope is true as he recounted his story. And as we listen to everyone's conversion story, when people say that something has changed within me, something is not anymore the same, let us be happy that they do not brag arrogance and pride, but be happy because hope is true. A better life is awaiting for us. Our new self can be possible, all with the help and the love of God.